Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use FreshBooks affiliate program for accounting solutions easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using the FreshBooks affiliate program, first, visit the FreshBooks website. Scroll to the bottom of the home page. Look for the affiliate program link. Click on it to access the affiliate program details. Read through the program information to understand its benefits and structure. Next, click on the Join Now button to start the application process. Complete the registration form with your necessary details. Once submitted, check your email for a confirmation message from FreshBooks. After confirming your email, log in to your new affiliate dashboard. Take time to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with its features. Locate the unique affiliate links assigned to you. These links will be used to promote FreshBooks products. Now, choose a target audience you want to reach. Consider your existing network or social media platforms for promotion. Create engaging content around FreshBooks accounting solutions. This could include blog posts, social media updates, or video content. Incorporate your affiliate link naturally within this content. Keep track of the performance of your links through the dashboard. Monitor clicks and conversions regularly. Adjust your marketing strategies based on this data for better results. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. Share your personal experiences using FreshBooks to build trust. Finally, stay updated on FreshBooks promotions and changes in their offerings. This ensures your content remains relevant and valuable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.